How to set up a Cricut Joy. Step 1. First navigate to the official Cricut Setup webpage. Step 2. Select Smart Cutting Machine, then select Cricut Joy. Step 3. If you do not have Cricut Design Space downloaded, check the I agree to Cricut Terms of Use and Privacy Policy, then click Download Now. Step 4. If you already have Cricut Design Space downloaded, click Open App. Step 5. When you get to the Prepare Workspace screen, follow the instructions and click the next arrow button. Step 6. When it tells you to find an outlet, go ahead and plug the power cord into the wall outlet and the machine. Step 7. When you get to the Connect to Computer step, navigate to Bluetooth settings and make sure that it's turned on. Step 8. Then go ahead and select Cricut Joy from the list of devices available. Step 9. Now go back to Cricut Design Space and click Continue. Step 10. When it tells you to activate Joy, check the I agree to the Cricut Terms of Use and Privacy Policy box, then click Activate. Step 11. Now wait for the machine to update. Step 12. Once the setup is complete, click Next. Step 13. Now go ahead and perform a test cut following the on-screen instructions. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.